Yes, a baby bottle washer is absolutely worth it, but which one is best? I have the Grownzy Ease Clean Bottle Washer, and I have the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. So first, let's start out with the cleaning power. So when you look inside, the Grownzy actually has 26 jets and they spin similar to what you would see in the dishwasher, while the Baby Brezza only has 20 jets and they are actually stationary. They don't spin. Now onto the drying power. The Grownzy and the Baby Brezza are both about 60 minutes of drying time. However, Grownzy left my pump parts and my bottles dry, where the Baby Brezza did leave some water behind. As a second time mom, this one's important. But how easy are they actually to use? Now, both user faces are pretty simple to use. The Grownzy has 9 cleaning modes, while the Baby Brezza has 6. But with Grownzy, everything is on the screen and labeled, so to me it's a little bit simpler. Next is noise level. I'm going to play both for you, but the Baby Brezza is substantially louder. It actually takes over the noise of the Grownzy. And the noise coming from the Grownzy is only the little water droplets. Capacity, because this one's important. If you are a pumping mom, honestly, I could say that the Grownzy will fit your pump parts better than the Baby Brezza. As you can see here, I would say the bottles need to be on the smaller side as well as your pump parts to fit in the Baby Brezza, where the Grownzy is basically like a large bucket and I pile so much stuff in there. I put so much stuff in my Grownzy. I wear my Grownzy down. I can pile in so much in there and I'm good to go. Now, maintenance. The Grownzy is really easy to clean. I have not experienced any buildup with it. Whereas the Baby Brezza does have a heating plate, which I could see could be a little bit difficult. And especially with its drying, from what I've seen with its drying potential, that also might cause an issue for cleaning as well. And lastly, we need to talk about emptying the dirty water. So the Baby Brezza actually has a tank that you have to dump out yourself, whereas Grownzy thankfully comes with a hose that you can just connect to your sink and it'll drain right into your sink. So no dumping with Grownzy. As a second time mom and on my second breastfeeding journey, I don't think I could have made it through postpartum without my Grownzy bottle washer. I have had this exact washer, this model, this one right here. I have had this for almost an entire year and it has saved me. Now as a working mom, I put my pump parts in here every single day and it washes them and I have dry clean pump parts in the morning. If you would like to check out the Grownzy bottle washer, make sure you check out my description box down below and I will see you guys in my next video.